Hi. In this video we'll look at add-ons to help boost your course or service sales. Briefly, we'll break down add-ons like Course Bundle, Group Courses, Point System, and Prerequisites in MasterStudy LMS. We'll learn how to set them up as an admin and see them from a user's perspective. One course bundle includes multiple courses that can be sold at one price as a package. As an admin, activate Course Bundles. Go to the Pro Add-ons section and enable Course Bundle. Open the Settings page, Course Bundle Settings, or click on the gear icon. Here you can set the bundle's quantity limit. Set limitations on the number of courses in one bundle. Also, you need to manage the page's display settings. Go to Pages from the dashboard menu and create a new one. Open Page Builder and click on the Add New Element button. From the list of elements, choose the Courses bundle or use the search. In the pop-up, you will see several settings to adjust your page. Here you can enter the title. Choose the number of columns to display on the page, available options 2 and 3, and set the number of posts per page. You can also post bundles on the home page or any other page. Instructors can access the bundle management page from their profile page. Find the bundles in the menu. On the Bundles page, you can create a new package by clicking on the Add New Bundle and open the page with settings. Select and add courses to the bundles. Enter the title. Upload an image. Enter the description and set the price. Created bundles will be accessible on the Bundles page, where you can publish them or save as draft. Edit and remove. The Edit button will return you to the settings where you can adjust anything you need. From the user's profiles, the bundles look like it's shown below. Users can add bundles to the cart and purchase them. The courses from the bundle will be located in the user's account enrolled courses and check payment from My Orders. The Group Courses feature allows you to distribute courses to a group of people and sell them to enterprises. To activate the Group Courses feature, click LMS Settings Add-ons, find Group Courses add-in and enable it. Click on the gear icon or follow Enterprise Course Settings and specify the number of members allowed to participate in the course. After you enable the Group Course add-in, you can find additional options in the course settings under the Course Price section. Set an enterprise price in a blank space provided. Update your course info and sell classes not only for individuals, but also for groups. For users, it is really easy to add a group just by using the profile menu. There will be a new tab called Groups. By opening it, users can add a new group. There are two options for creating a group. Either import multiple groups via CSV or add a new group by entering users' emails manually. Enter a group name and add the email addresses of members in the left box. Also, you can add groups right from the course page. Open up the course and click on the Buy for Group button. In a pop-up window, you will be asked to create a group. Enter the group name and add users by entering their emails. Now you can purchase courses for your groups, and when it's done, the course will be ready to enroll for chosen users. The Points Reward System is a gamification tool that stimulates your website users to spend more on your website and to help you to generate new leads for free by inviting other people to your website for virtual coins that can be spent only on your website. To activate Points Reward System, go to LMS Add-ons. Find Points System add-in and enable it. Check the Settings section by clicking on the gear icon or follow the Point System Settings menu from the dashboard. In the Point System setting, there are two tabs: Interface and Points Distribution. In Interface, you need to add a new image that will typify your points. Enter a point label. Specify the point rate, any number that you want to be equal to $1. Enable the affiliate points. Your users can share their affiliate link and get points for the activity of users they invited. In Points Distribution, you can set the point amount for each activity on your site. For example, for registration on the website, a user gets 50 points. Admins and users can check the number of gained points on the profile page. Just click on the earning history to see the points you gained. By clicking on How to Get More, users can open the page with the points distribution and learn what activities can bring them more points. The admin can access the point statistics from the dashboard. On the Users Points page, you can check all users' points and edit and delete if needed. When a user wants to buy a new course, there will be an additional option of buying it for points. Also, learners will be shown the exact amount they lack to purchase. Affiliate points is an additional feature in the point reward system. Go to point system settings, then set the amount of percents users will receive from the affiliate. After this, users will be able to copy and share the link, which will be available on the profile page in the settings. It allows them to earn points for activities of users they invited via that link. Let users earn points for referring visitors and signups. Prerequisites allow you to connect the courses. So to start one course, the users must enroll into another course and complete it. This add-on helps you to guide your users smoothly from beginner to professional level by taking the courses in the proper order. You can enable the prerequisites add-on in the LMS settings add-ons section of the WordPress dashboard menu. After, you need to edit a course and set up the prerequisites settings of a course in the course prerequisites section. There, you can add courses that should be completed before purchasing this course. Also, you can specify the passing rate, % of a prerequisite course. If users want to enroll in the course, they will see that it has a prerequisite, so they need to accomplish it first. That's all for now. In the next video, we'll look at methods of passive income in the MasterStudy LMS. Bye.